Hello everyone and welcome back to one of our videos. Today we're going to continue our video about the smart lock for your house door. So previously we've unboxed that one, which is this, if you can see it, the door lock. This one. And it's a smart one that works with a few items, like can work with, let's see, just gonna see, it can work with keys, and it can work with unlock with your fingerprint, with a keypad number on it, so you can unlock it with a keypad number, and you can use also an application on your phone to unlock it, which is called, according to the manual here, it's called Toya, as I can believe. So today we're gonna install this door lock on the door itself. So what I did is I've ordered from Amazon some batteries. I'm gonna show it to you now. So let's open this one. Just gonna open it. Okay, and we have smaller box here. Just put this aside. Let's open it. What I have here, first, this one works with four batteries, and it's AAA batteries, and according to their manual the battery should last for 12 months. However, I looked online and asked AI service like ChatGPT and the other one, can't remember the name of the other one, say what is the best batteries to be used on this one. So the highest one that I couldn't find online was, let's get these out. So this one is 1620 MWH, and this is the maximum I could find on the market for the AAA battery, and it's rechargeable. So I got the charger here, and with this amount, with this capacity of the battery itself, let's put this away. So this is the highest capacity which up until now, and it's 1620 MWH. According to ChatGPT, that should last between 3 and 5 months. If you're using a normal daily unlocking the door, which would say between 7 to 10 times per day, if you unlock the doors, that should last for about 3 to 5 months. So they say it's gonna, or this one. So they said on this manual it lasts for 12 months. That's not a reality actually. So what's on reality, if you're using the highest ones, the highest capacity, it might last for 6 months. Depends, of course, on your usage of the lock itself and how many times do you open it per day, and the environment, like the weather, hot, cold, stuff like that. But usually it should last between maybe 4 at average to 6 months maybe. But I'm gonna install that one on my door, and we're gonna use it, and maybe in a year from now I will make another video on the usage and how good is it or how bad is it itself. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to charge these batteries. I'm going to install it here, and I'm going to do that in another video, installing it on the door itself, and you will see all the details about that. Thank you for watching, and keep watching the channel itself for the newer videos. Thank you.